TAPW fans, I have an exclusive interview right now with the newest tag team here in Tennessee All Pro Wrestling. The Anarchy Kid, Cal Redman. The Real Freak, Robert Z. Real. How you guys doing? And Scully.
And Scully. You can't forget Scully. He's down to get free.
He's down.
Down to be free. How you doing tonight, man?
I'm doing good. Happy belated birthday.
Oh, thank you.
I think it's actually belated, but okay.
I do what I want. I say what I want.
Anarchy.
Anarchy.
So, you two formed a tag team tonight. I mean, it seems to fit. You got Anarchy, you got Freakiness, you got like Freakin Anarchy. I mean,
Yeah.
Freakin Anarchy.
I mean, it could work. So, y'all sent out a challenge tonight to Killaway and his cohorts for a tag match next week. And I've recently got an interview with them. They said no. They said they do not want the challenge. They said they don't accept.
It's because they're scared of us. Him because he's freaky, and me because I'll do anything because I'm Anarchy. You know, I'll flip
No
all
rules.
Nope.
No rules in Anarchy. And freakiness, well.
This guy.
You already know. Well, that's alright. We'll have our chance at Kilauea, Carnage, Pep-Top-Ismol. We'll have our chance at all of them.
I mean, you did have a partner in Draven Lean, but he decided.
Who?
You know the one that didn't check his ego, bro?
Oh.
Yeah. He'd rather do other things, but you might find yourself a new tag partner.
That was pretty easy, like I said on the show last week. I've been watching Cal for a while.
I've been on a roll, man.
Been on a roll.
I've been on
a
roll.
Just seems to fit. I mean, I didn't like seeing Carnage out there, you know, putting the boots to it for that. That hurt. Couldn't watch it anymore, so I figured, why not?
So, if you want to see these guys next Saturday, come right here to 554. You've already had your interview session.
Blocking the whole frame.
Hey, you want to hear something funny now?
Hey,
I bet you if we
sit
hit it,
behind him.
we'd both still not be showing.
That's actually him, brother. So, in case I didn't say I interviewed, we're not accepting y'all's little challenge for next week.
I'm kind of not surprised. I mean,
No, you shouldn't.
you guys were scared
No, it wasn't.
when I came out with that chair. I don't know. I saw a little bit of fear. I'm not gonna lie. I saw your tie kind of quivering.
Yeah. Go shuffle, shuffle.
Ever touch the bow tie again.
Shuffle, shuffle.
What's up, Hammer?
Well, folks,
Everything's going
just like it
anarchy.
is.
Everything's
You got
anarchy,
Anarchy
man.
here, you got
Anarchy.
here, you got
You see all this is anarchy.
If you want to see all these guys at Tennessee All Pro Wrestling, come to 5542 Manchester Highway, right here in the Victory Center. All right, be there.
To be or not to be, Scully.
But try to quell Shakespeare, you can't.
Is that freaking out?
I think it's been the thunder.